Welcome to the daily message on this New Year's Day, 2021. Today, I just want to offer a simple prayer for the year ahead. Let us pray. May God make this year a happy one, not by shielding us from all sorrows and pain, but by strengthening us to bear it as it comes. Not by making our path easy, but by making us sturdy to travel any path. Not by taking hardships from us, but by taking fear from our heart. Not by granting us unbroken sunshine, but by keeping our face bright, even in the shadows. Not by making our life always pleasant, but by showing us when people and their causes need us most, and by making us anxious to be there to help. God's love, peace, hope, and joy to us for the year ahead. Happy New Year.